In the previous session, we have seen how to write some data into a binary file using structures. Now, already we discussed the drawback of generally only about structures. That is, if you would like to read some data into the structure and print it, that has to be done in the same program itself. But if you would like to store the data of a student for a long period, we have to store them in a file only. So basically a structure cannot individually provide that advantage for us, so we have combined the concept of structures and files. Now how are we going to retrieve that data? In the previous session we have stored the data in program.bin file. So now we have to open that program.bin file in read mode and get all the data stored previously. I've stored Surya as name, student name, and 198 r 1A05 61 as roll number and 100 as marks. So I have to get all the data stored in program.bin. So I have to open that program in read mode. Since this is a binary file, I have to specify it as RB. Now how to start the program? Again, we have to define a student. We have to declare a student structure with the data members as given in the previous program. Next, we have to get a student name as S1. We have to get the structure variable, create a file pointer, and open program.bin file in read mode. Since this is binary file, RB. Next, if we are unable to open that file, it is treated as the file pointer will be given the value null. So I'll exit the program. So since this program, this file already exists, program.bin, what happens is that will be opened. Now directly, first of all, I have to read the values. Now how to do? I have the concept called fread function. Now using fread, what should I do is I have to assign S1, the variable S1, all the values that have been stored previously. How to do that? I have to get the starting address of S1. What should be assigned to it? Size of struct student. Now already we know that 25 bytes of memory is required, comma, only one student is one structure student is there, so kabatti, so we have to use block 1, comma, where is the data stored? It is stored at the file pointer pointed by FP. Now what happens is that is entirely assigned to S1. Now what happens is S1 will be holding the values of Surya 198 r 1A05 60 and marks 100. Now what is the task we have to do? We have to print each and every data. How is the data retrieved? S1 dot name, S1 dot roll number, S1 dot marks. So I will print all those data. How all those data? Student name S1 dot name. Next, roll number S1 dot roll number, marks S1 dot marks. So I'll print all the data and we'll close the file. So this is the way we are going to read the data from the binary file using the concept of fread function.